Hello kids, welcome to my channel. So today we are going to learn ABCD but in small letter. Light yellow color, red color, orange color, dark blue color, light blue color, pink color, brown color and black color. Let's start. A for apple. A for apple. B for butterfly. B for butterfly. C for carrot. C for carrot. D for dog. D for dog. E for eggplant. E for eggplant. F for fish. F for fish. G for girl. G for girl. H for hand. H for hand. I for ice cream. I for ice cream. J for joker. J for joker. K for kite. K for kite. L for lion. L for lion. M for mango. M for mango. N for nose. N for nose. O for owl. O for owl. P for piano. P for piano. Q for queen. Q for queen. R for ring. R for ring. S for sister. S for sisters. S for sister. T for tomato. T for tomato. U for umbrella. U for umbrella. V for village. V for village. W for water. W for water. X for xylophone. X for xylophone. Y for yak. Y for yak. Z for zebra. Z for zebra. So kids, what we learned today? A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, and Z. Now I know my ABC. So kids, hope you like my video. So please don't forget like, share and subscribe my channel. We will see you in next video with a new topic. Till then, bye.